Hazrat Abdullah bin Amr bin As radiyallahu anhu states that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "My pond is equal to a month's journey in size. All of its corners are equal. Its water is whiter than silver, and its fragrance is sweeter than musk. Its cups are equal to the stars in the sky. Whoever drinks its water will never feel thirsty." The reporter says that Hazrat Asma, Abu Bakr's daughter radiyallahu anha, says that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "I will stay at the pond and see who of you will come to me. Some people will be arrested before me. I will thereupon say, O Lord, they are my followers and among my ummah. It will be said, do you not know what they did after you? By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, after you they returned on their heels, became apostates." The reporter says that Ibn Abi Mulaika would make this invocation: O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, we seek refuge in you against returning on our heels and facing any trial regarding our religion. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 5928.